we've actually seen over the past few weeks a significant increase in sexual harassment complaints, both on the employment law and HR sides of our business. And this only reinforces the importance of for employers to have updated policies and programs on harassment and discrimination, and to also ensure adequate and updated training for staff at all levels, from frontline all the way up to senior leaders. And there was a case that came out in the fall, a Court of Appeal decision in Huxco versus A.O. Smith Enterprises Limited. And in this case, it involved a 20-year employee who made a series of highly inappropriate comments to a female coworker. And the company did three things. They issued a final warning. They required him to attend sensitivity training, and they required him to issue an apology to the complainant. The 20-year employee agreed to do the first two, but he refused to apologize because he didn't feel he did anything wrong. So what happened is the company terminated him and he sued. And at trial, the court found that there was not sufficient evidence to justify a termination, nor did the failure to apologize justify a termination. And he was awarded 20 months salary. The employer appealed to the Court of Appeal, who overturned the decision. And what the court found is, although the final warning letter was probably proportionate in the circumstances, the fact that the individual refused to apologize justified his termination for cause. And they made that determination on the basis that there was a blatant disregard for company policies, and he wasn't willing to accept the corrective and remedial action. So the decision to apologize or not ultimately cost this guy his job. But what this serves for employers across Canada is the following. One, you have to ensure that policies and procedures are updated and reviewed on a regular basis, that your staff are trained properly and fully by qualified third-party experts or internal experts, and that when complaints do arise, that investigations are done efficiently and professionally. If you need any assistance on these types of issues, please feel free to reach out to Rodney Employment Law. Thank you.